System Restore is a feature that takes a snapshot of your Windows, registry and driver configuration at a specific point in time. It serves as a failsafe whenever a major change occurs on your computer. Whether it is a failed installation or a failure registry edit, it can restore to that point of time we created a restore point. At the time of restoring with restore point, you might lose some work you have done since you created it, but you would also lose any unwanted changes that made without your permission. In order to use System Restore, you have to enable and create a restore point. To do that, go to a search field in your taskbar and type System Restore. This will bring up Create Restore Point option. Click on Create Restore Point. This will bring up System Properties window. You will be in the System Protection tab. If you have never used System Restore, select the Configure button. Make sure C drive is highlighted and click on Configure. Under Restore Settings, turn on System Protection. You can select maximum disk space. Usually 1 to 5 GB is sufficient. Click OK. You will be back at System Properties tab. Create a restore point by click on Create button. Name your restore point and click Create. After a minute or two, you should get another pop-up says the restore point was created successfully. Click on Close and you are done. Now let's find out how to use System Restore using restore point you have created. Go to search field in your taskbar and type System Restore and click on Create Restore Point. Again, you will find yourself in the System Properties window and System Protection tab. Click on System Restore. You will get a window titled Restore System Files and Settings. There are two options available, Recommended Restore and choose a different restore point. You can use Recommended Restore by clicking Next button or select Choose a different restore point. Here you will get a list of restore points you have created with its name and time of creation. Select a restore point. If you want to click on Scan for affected programs, this will give a list of programs which will be deleted and which might be automatically restored after System Restore. The final confirmation will list the restore point you have selected. Click on the Finish button to begin the restore process. Hope this video will help you and bye.